Fresh Caprese Salad Essentials. Welcome to the vibrant world of Caprese salad, where the simplicity of fresh ingredients creates a symphony of flavors and colors that excite the senses. Crafting a perfect Caprese salad involves selecting the finest ingredients and embracing the essence of Italian cuisine. Let's dive into the key components that make up this iconic dish, enough to serve 4 people as a delightful appetizer or side dish that captures the essence of summer. Ingredients: 2 large ripe tomatoes, 1 ball fresh mozzarella cheese, about 8 ounces fresh basil leaves, about 1 cup loosely packed extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar or balsamic glaze, salt and black pepper to taste. Optional, flaky sea salt for finishing. Ingredient details: tomatoes, opt for ripe, juicy tomatoes such as vine-ripened or heirloom varieties. Choose tomatoes that are firm yet yielding to gentle pressure, with vibrant red color and a fresh, earthy aroma. 2 large tomatoes sliced into rounds or wedges provide ample servings for a group. Fresh mozzarella cheese. Seek out high-quality fresh mozzarella cheese, preferably in a ball or log shape packed in water. This cheese should be milky and creamy with a soft, slightly elastic texture. Slice the mozzarella into rounds or chunks, matching the size of the tomato slices for balanced bites. Fresh basil leaves. Basil is a star herb in Caprese salad, lending its aromatic, slightly peppery flavor to the dish. Use whole basil leaves or chiffonade, thinly sliced, basil for a delicate garnish. The fragrance of basil complements the sweetness of tomatoes and richness of mozzarella. Extra virgin olive oil. Choose a top-notch extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, to drizzle over the salad. EVOO adds fruity notes and a silky texture, enhancing the overall flavor profile. A generous drizzle coats the ingredients evenly and brings a Mediterranean touch to your salad. Balsamic vinegar or glaze. Traditional Caprese salad often features balsamic vinegar for a tangy contrast. Alternatively, balsamic glaze offers a sweeter, thicker consistency and attractive presentation. Drizzle lightly for a hint of acidity or more generously for added depth of flavor. Salt and pepper. Enhance the natural flavors of the salad with a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Use flaky sea salt as a finishing touch for texture and flavor complexity. Assembling your Caprese salad. Arrange tomato and mozzarella. Begin by layering the tomato slices and mozzarella rounds or chunks on a serving platter, alternating for visual appeal or stacking for individual servings. Add fresh basil. Nestle fresh basil leaves between the tomato and mozzarella layers or scatter them generously over the top. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over the salad, ensuring each ingredient gets a flavorful coating. Follow with balsamic vinegar or glaze, adjusting to your taste preferences. Season to perfection. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and black pepper over the salad. For an extra touch of gourmet flair, finish with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt for added texture and flavor complexity. Serve and enjoy. Present your Caprese salad as a stunning appetizer or side dish, showcasing the vibrant colors and enticing aromas. Pair with crusty bread, olives, or a glass of chilled white wine for a complete Italian culinary experience. Why you'll love it. Caprese salad embodies the essence of summer with its refreshing flavors, beautiful presentation, and effortless preparation. Each bite offers a harmonious blend of juicy tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, aromatic basil, and the delightful accents of olive oil and balsamic. It's a celebration of seasonal bounty and Mediterranean culinary heritage that never fails to impress. Subscribe to our channel for more culinary insights, recipe inspirations, and cooking tips to elevate your kitchen adventures. Join our community of food enthusiasts and embark on a delicious journey of flavors and creativity.